Welcome back to another video. My name is Gordon Frayne, and today we're answering the question of, is staking ETH worth it? As always, before we jump into today's topic, please make sure to smash the thumbs up button below if you enjoy the content. Please make sure to subscribe as well. We're on the road to our first 1,000 subscribers, and it would mean the world if you subscribed. And hit that bell notification icon so you can get updates every time we drop a new video. We're dropping multiple videos every single week, and you're going to want to get notified when they drop so you can stay on top of the rapidly evolving crypto landscape and hit your crypto goals. So, as always, jumping into today's topic, we're answering the question today of whether ETH is worth staking. And to understand what staking is in the first place, if you're a newbie to this space, if we just introduce the concept of staking, it comes from the consensus algorithm associated with the corresponding blockchain for whether it is proof of stake or proof of work. There are other consensus algorithms like proof of history, etc. But to illustrate this quick example, Bitcoin operates a proof of work consensus algorithm, meaning that miners on the blockchain spend computational power in order to solve the complex mathematical equations associated with each block in order to mine that block, add it to the blockchain, and receive that block reward. With proof of stake, however, and Ethereum has now moved to a proof of stake consensus algorithm, what happens with proof of stake is basically you have nodes on the network who hold and stake tokens of that cryptocurrency in order to validate the blocks and the transactions on the network. So instead of using vast amounts of computational power to do so, it is being done by the pooled staking of the validators on the network with a proof of stake consensus mechanism. So when you're trying to evaluate whether Ethereum is worth staking or not, there's a few factors that come into that equation. So let's talk about them. Firstly, I think the important thing to note is whether you're already holding Ethereum or whether you're looking to actually purchase Ethereum for the purpose of staking it specifically. Because if you're in the former camp where you're already a believer in Ethereum and the Ethereum network and you're holding it, you might have thousands of dollars worth of Ethereum already. In that case, I think it is very much worth staking, because if you're going to be holding it anyway for a long term and you're a believer in the network, then you may as well be earning staking rewards from holding that Ethereum if you're going to be holding it anyway. If you're someone who's looking to actually enter the world of staking and be passively earning income through staking different cryptocurrencies, yes, you can do that with Ethereum, no problem, but there are other cryptos and other altcoins and other blockchains that will give you much better staking rewards than Ethereum. So in order to kind of map and calculate some of this out, there is a very handy tool that you can use. So if you come over to this tool called Staking Rewards at stakingrewards.com, you will see that this is a website and a platform basically dedicated to the entire cryptocurrency staking ecosystem and allows you to run calculations on how much you can earn from staking different amounts of different cryptos. So let's take a look at Ethereum by going to the staking calculator, and we can choose Ethereum from the dropdown, and you will see that the average reward rate for Ethereum is about 3.4% for staking rewards. And this is an APR or an APY when it comes to the Ethereum staking reward. What you can then do is choose a specific provider, and the staking reward will vary from provider to provider. You can see that some of them are closer to 4%, 4.5%. Others are about 3.85%. Let's just keep Lido Finance as the default option here at the moment, because realistically, if you're staking Ethereum, you're probably going to get somewhere between 3 and 4% APR for staking rewards with Ethereum. So the next step is here to enter the amount of Ethereum that you actually want to stake. So remembering the example we gave a moment ago, you might already be holding, let's say, $20,000 worth of Ethereum because you've purchased it, you've dollar cost averaged in, and you want to hold it for the long term. So if you're already someone who holds Ethereum and you might have $20,000 worth, it could be very worthwhile staking that $20,000 if you're going to be holding it for the long term anyway. So what we can do is put in $20,000 as a staking amount. We can also enter that amount in ETH if we wanted to. So $20,000 is equal to about 5.5 ETH as of today. Let's keep it in dollar terms for simplicity's sake. It's showing us our 1 day, 7 day, 30 day, and 1 year earnings from staking $20,000 worth of ETH. So you can see that over a 365-day period, we will earn $654 in staking rewards alone. Now, this next area over here is where this tool gets very interesting, because what we can do is we can think about the rewards over a certain period of time if it's greater than 1 year, and we can also add in our expected price of Ethereum after that staking period time. So instead of 1 year, let's say we were going to stake Ethereum for the next 2 years, and we anticipate the price of Ethereum to increase as we approach the height of the bull market. And let's say, and again, I think this would be a conservative number, but let's say we wanted to stake it for 2 years, and we were saying that after that 2 year period, the price of Ethereum could reach $8,500 US. So we plug in $8,500. And again, I do believe that's a conservative estimate. Many people are calling for a $10,000 plus Ethereum this bull cycle. So what that does is that adds up the calculations over that 2 year period and assumes Ethereum is going to reach $8,500. It's showing us 4 different numbers. It's showing us non-compounded, compounded, selling rewards, and not staking. So if we did not stake any rewards, the value of our Ethereum would go to $26,000. However, if we stake Ethereum for that period of time, we would earn $29,959 if we compound the rewards. So again, this shows us the power of compounding the rewards over time, as well as the expected rewards over time from the price appreciation of Ethereum going from about 3,600 today to about 8,500 in the 2 year period. So you would earn about $29,000 or just under $30,000 in a 2 year period, which would be about $15,000 per year simply from staking $20,000 worth of Ethereum. So is it worth staking Ethereum? Yes, absolutely. Depending on the amount of Ethereum that maybe you already hold, it's definitely worth staking it. If you believe in the protocol and you want to be holding it for the long term, you may as well be earning those additional staking rewards from being a validator on the network, providing that service and earning staking rewards as a result. However, if you're looking to build out staking positions, you can also use stakingrewards.com and the staking calculator to come in here and analyze all these different assets. So if we open up the dropdown again, you can see that there are a whole bunch of other assets like Solana and Polkadot, 2 very popular ones. Again, you're immediately seeing that many of these assets have much better staking reward rates than Ethereum. So Solana has about 7.62. You can be getting upwards of 11, close to 12% with Polkadot. Again, the provider of the staking and the staking platform that you use will determine the exact reward rate, but you've got other options like Cosmos upwards of 17%, Avalanche over 8%, BNB 2.8, Tezos 5.9. So you can come in here and begin to run calculations with regards to different assets at the reward rates that you can be earning from each asset over time, and thinking about how to use this calculator to give you estimates. And again, I emphasize the word estimates because it's very difficult to determine the exact price that Ethereum would go to in a 2 year period, but you're going to have to plug in some estimates or even some conservative estimates to give you an idea of the runway that you could have over the next 1 year, 2 year, or 4 years, however long into the future you want to project your staking rewards, in order to give you some estimates for the type of rewards you could be earning on those assets. So immediately at the bat, I think Solana and Polkadot are 2 very good options as alternatives to Ethereum. Both projects have, a lot of room for price appreciation over the next 12 to 18 months, and both of them have significantly better reward rates than Ethereum. So finally, once again, just to answer the question, is it worth staking Ethereum? If you already own Ethereum, yes, absolutely. You should definitely be cashing in on those extra staking rewards if you're going to be holding it for the long term. Anyway, however, if you are building out a staking portfolio, it's worth considering some other options. Perhaps Ethereum makes up a percentage of that, and then other assets like Polkadot, like Solana, like Cosmos make up a certain percentage of your staking portfolio as well. So you can maximize those returns and maximize the amount of staking rewards you're going to earn over time. As always, if you enjoy the content, please make sure to smash the like button below. Hit that subscribe button. We are on the road to our first 1,000 subscribers, and it would mean the world if you subscribed. And hit that bell notification icon so you can get notified on all the rest of the videos we're dropping. As I said, we're dropping multiple videos every single week, so you're going to want to get notified when they drop so you can stay up to date on all the latest movements in the crypto space and hit your crypto goals. As always, we'll catch you in the next one.